Okay, now how do you submit your business plan? We've been talking about this. So when you log into your GST portal, you scroll down and you will see business creation and growth, GST 302. That is, even if you registered for 301, you will see it in the GST portal as GST 302. So how do you go about it? At first, you have 0%. Look at here, it says 0% complete. So you have to do something. Participate by opening it. Touch it on your phone. You just touch it on your computer. You use your mouth to click. You touch the name Business Creation and Growth. It will open where you will participate. It will give you different sections, different links, which you will have to activate. By activating them, you are participating. When you open, you have to open each link. I've discussed this in the earlier video on how to make use of this portal. So you have to open this one, course induction. You open each link in order to tick it good. It will have to tick it. You end tour. I don't need a tour. You end the tour if you are good at making use of the portal. If you are not, you can take the tour. So all of them has to be ticked. After opening each link, it will be ticked. It will be ticked like this. This is where you find facilitations on GST courses, past facilitations on previous videos that will teach you about GST 302. You would like, if you would like to join the program, there are schedules. You can join online and you see how it is done. The same way it is done online is just the same way you present it online. So and if you are not presenting online, there is an incubation center set up for everybody in a particular zone, geographical zone. So if you are somewhere like in the southeast, you may have Enugu as your incubation center. So you will have to, everybody in the all the study centers in the southeast will have to go to Enugu to make their defense or make their presentation. So something like that. So let's keep going. You have to download all the materials, never forget. Then when they are all ticked, this one they are not ticked currently. Now here, this is where you submit business plan. When you come down here, you will see presentation of enterprise idea. Yes. Look at this. Currently, it is restricted. You cannot upload, you cannot submit a business plan. It is restricted, no matter the zone or the incubation center you belong. It says you must do something on this course material 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You must do something with them. You don't just come and submit. You must have read through them or downloaded them before you can submit your enterprise idea. So when you come down here, depending on it will automatically activate your geopolitical zone. If you are like here, this one, if you come down, let's start from the bottom, somewhere here, it says, this is, you belong to Southwest. If you come down here, it says, you belong to South. So none of them will be active. If you touch this, you belong to whatever, nothing will happen. But this is just an error, what it's supposed to say, you belong to this but you cannot do this. So I'm just telling you what happens actually. So none of this will be active until you must have completed all these activities here. Make sure they are all ticked. You must have participated in one way or the other. You make sure that they are all ticked. When they are all ticked, then you will have a place to submit your business plan. After submitting your business plan, the next will be to book your presentation date and time. Which day would you like to make your presentation, either online or at the incubation center? And what time? Is it 9? Is it 10? There are options for you to choose. But firstly, let's complete the submission. first. So we go up. So we go up, go up, go up. Okay, there we go. There we are. Okay. Then you can see I performed all the necessary activities, downloaded all the materials. I've taught this in one of my videos. So when you come down here, presentation of enterprise ideas. This person belongs to Southwest. It says, you can now click on this. You can see it's now active. Even has a spot for a tick. Look at the spot here. Now has a box telling you that okay, now you can proceed with submission of your business plan. So all you need to do is touch this link. Presentation of enterprise idea, Southwest Incubation Center assignment. So you simply have to touch the link and it will open the page for you to upload your business plan. There are still some steps you will have to take within the page. Okay, this is it. It says, look at this link. Assuming today is the day you are supposed to make your presentation, this is where you click. It says, click this link if you are presenting your enterprise idea. If you are presenting your idea through video conferencing and have booked to present today. So all you need is click this link and it will take you to a Zoom application or the particular page where you will start. You firstly, probably you might meet some other students presenting, so you have to just wait, watch them as they are presenting. After sometimes you will be called upon. You just have to wait until you hear your name. We will call your name, you've joined, you tell them your whatever, you give them your credentials, give them your credentials, and then you'll be able to make your presentation. Look at what it says. A simple guide to your business plan. It says, identify a problem that needs solution or brainstorm on a new idea. You can modify any business. The business must have been established, but you can innovate it, add some things that will make it different. That is your selling point. That is the only way you can make it. So you add some things. Look at, you need to read this when you get here. You read it properly, and you can watch this video by Juliet in the wedding doctor. It will help you a lot. So it says, this assignment will accept submission from Tuesday, 1st October 2019 from 12 a.m. So you cannot submit at this moment. Otherwise, you will see a link for you to upload your business plan. The grading criteria. This is where you also see the grading. How is your business plan graded? It depends on the points you make. How relevant are they? You may have a good idea for the business. You have a good idea. So from now you cannot submit. When it becomes available, you'll be able to submit from this page. And the submission ends on 1st November 2019. That's from October 1st to November 1st. So you keep watching, you check another video for the real upload. It still takes a little more time. When you get to this page, you still have like 4 more steps to take in order to get your business plan submitted. So you have to check back later for a video on how to submit properly. This one is just the initial step for submitting your business plan. Then let's go back. Then you will see the progress you have made by downloading all those materials and reading through the contents of the links that you've seen when you opened the GST302 page. Back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard, sorry. You go back to dashboard, you will see the progress you have made. It will tell you how many percent have you covered by going through downloading all these course materials and reading all the contents of the links and maybe posting in the forums. So we're back here to my dashboard. So it will show, it will load the course and the percentage you've covered. Look at that, it says you've covered 65% of this course. In this case, if you have any other course that is not GST, it won't be TMA per se, but lectures. So you are supposed to open you are supposed to open it and go through the lectures. There are lecture schedules and lessons involved, so you have to open it and go through. You don't just ignore it.